Does the machine support a certain country's payment systems, such as cash payment and cashless payment? How do we do if these payment systems do not support one country? Cash and cashless payment. Different countries will have different currencies, including the cashless payment, such as QR payment, CAD payment, NFC payment, such as Apple Pay and Google Wallet, membership CAD payment, etc. Cash payment. Actually, we support most of the country's currencies. We will install the bill acceptor and the coin changer to work with these banknotes and coins. They will have different configurations for these payment system devices. Most of the time, we will configure the best suitable devices for you. However, if there has no payment devices support for this country, you can send us the sample money so to customize these payment devices to support this currency. Cashless payment. About cashless payment, we need to differ the QR payment, including the e-wallet payment, with CAD payment. They can be called in the same type of cashless payment. For example, in Malaysia, we support the e-wallet such as ManPay, Boost Pay, Grab Pay, Touch and Go, also WeChat Pay and Alipay, etc. In Singapore, we support EasyLink, NetsPay, including Apple Pay and Google Wallets. In the United States, we also support Apple Pay and Google Wallets, including the credit card payment. About QR payment, if there has no available QR payment directory, TCN company can integrate this QR payment onto the vending machine, and we also support the clients to integrate them onto the vending machine. Just to make sure the API is available for integration. About CAD payment. Normally, to complete a payment by swiping credit card, a card reader is in need. So, only if the card reader supports credit card payment in your country and is compliant with TCN vending machines, so the card payment is available in the said country. One principle for TCN vending machines, as our protocol is programmed based on International Vending Machine MDB protocol standard. If the card reader meets MDB standard, it can be installed and directory to be used on our vending machines. If the card reader only works with serial port or via USB port, we can integrate this card reader on our system as well.